Hi, my name is Lisa Regina. I'm an acting coach in New York City. April 2nd, 2005 was the date of my assault. A few months following my incident, I looked for the support of an attorney and eventually found the right attorney, David Perisman, because my case was very high profile, so it was not just the assault and what I was going through physically and emotionally, but I needed someone that was sensitive to the issue of the press and different things that were coming out about my case, because I never spoke to the press directly. I didn't want to have to relive the incident. It was painful enough, but I did want to see justice, and I did want to settle my case, and I wanted to have closure so I could move on with my life. Once we were in the courtroom, I could see that he had control of that environment and understood that environment with great confidence, but most importantly, great ease. There was nothing, you know, I was the one that was nervous, but then once I saw how confident he was, and once he started cross-examining and the questions that were asked, and it evoked, you know, the answers and the information that we needed to set up my case. And by the second day, you know, he didn't want to be cross-examined. He didn't want to take the stand. I didn't want to, but he didn't want to, most importantly. You know, this was the most difficult time of my life. It was something that I definitely would never want to have to go through again, but at least I had someone there that knew the law, that knew what I had to do, that broke it down into terms that I understood, that took the time to answer my questions, to explain it to me, but most importantly, it gave me a truthful overview of what would what would happen, what the outcome would be. Never distorted that in any way, and always gave me a very realistic understanding of it, which I think is most important. Just really being on a personal level supportive and genuine and a caring human being. I have referred people, friends, to David Perisman and the firm, and I absolutely would continue to do so, because I know that people that I care about will want the same type of treatment. You know, they want someone that's not only fighting for them, that knows the law, that can answer their questions, but someone that cares about them, someone that understands how difficult the time is that they're going through and is sensitive.